A major increase in the number of hotel rooms to boost the tourism product is on the horizon. The government outlined the vision during the groundbreaking ceremony for the Amatera Hotel in Trelawney recently. Qatari investors, the Amatera Group, on Friday broke ground for a major hotel in Stuart Castle, Trelawney. At the ceremony, Prime Minister Andrew Holness said the multi-billion-dollar project, which will create an integrated mega hotel resort development starting with 1,200 rooms, is just the beginning.
In total, you're going to do 8,000 rooms from the plans I've seen. Now, Jamaica's room stock is about 32,000 rooms. Can you imagine that just one development is going to move us in short order to 40,000 rooms? This is not contemplating the other developments which are to come.
Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says discussions for the Amatera Hotel had been going on for years. He lauded the project as the start of change.
We are actually re-imaging tourism. And we are creating a tourism in Jamaica that is inclusive and that involves the integration of community. And one of the visions for us is to establish what is called an tourism integration development arrangement that will be embodied in something called a tourism innovation city.
While welcoming more investors, Prime Minister Holness acknowledged that bureaucracy is a major hindrance to business operators.
We are focusing a lot on the ease of doing business. That is under Minister Shaw's shop. Part of it is under mine. The head of JAMPRO and the chairman of JAMPRO focuses on that. The entire government is focused on how do we make the processes of approval, of permitting, make those processes easier